Hello everyone friends, Vala here. Today I'll show you how to fix a broken camera on your Android phone. So I have a phone here and you open the camera, but it's not working. First you can try simply closing it from the tabs and opening it again. If that doesn't help, make sure your camera lens isn't dirty. Yeah, try wiping it clean and check that nothing's blocking it. If that doesn't help, then go to settings and search for camera. Yeah, just like this. And then go into the camera app. Here we granted camera permission. You can also go into the camera app settings itself, tap on storage and cache, and tap clear cache. After that, try opening the app again. This might help. If that doesn't work, try restarting your phone by holding the button, tapping restart, and it might work after that. If that doesn't help, then go to settings and check if there are any system updates. There. And if you don't have any updates, then you need to check if maybe your camera is physically damaged. This has been Vala. See you everyone.